Man, I just heard a super loud thud outside. I think a bird hit my window. So let's check it out. Oh man, I was right. You alright there, buddy? He's probably just stunned right now. Man, he must be hurt. Looks like he's bleeding on this side. I don't know if he's broken anything. He's not doing good. Man, he's really hurt. That sucks. Oh, he's walking. Oh, he's cool. He's cool. You alright? Oh man, you're bleeding from your eye, dude. Oh, that must fucking hurt, man. Damn, that sucks. Man, you really banged yourself up. Fucking A, dude. Man, I don't know what to give you, man. I'm no vet or anything. Oh, oh. Hey, alright. I guess he's cool. He's gone now. Oh well. You got some busted up eye, I'll tell you that. Sucks to be him. Look, he even left feathers on my window. Crazy ass. Laters.